Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand. For this one is the ceiling mount, the stylings, a walk-in box condenser coil units all in one together. And this unit is about like a 1.5 horsepower. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the overall length of the unit, it's about like a 37 and 1/4 inches wide. And the depth of the body is about like a 42.5 inches deep. We can see they have a front covers. They cover the fan. So their depth is about like 3 and 1/4 inches deep. And the diameters of it is about like 13.5 inches. And the overall height for the front, it is about like 19.5 inches tall. And the inside of the units, we can see a lot of coppers and the compressor system and the mount inside, and also the coils on the side too. So looking in the middle, we can see they have the drain pipes connection right here. And we do have the sticker information on the side too. They come in with the ETL sanitation stickers. And also the units have the back parts. They come in with the fan, the blower at the bottom too. And the overall heights include the fan covers. They are almost about like a 27 and 1/4 inches tall. And also looking the other side, we can see the power connections. We have a couple green line connections. This is for the powers. They're using the 220 power single phase. And for the switcher connectors, this is the power, the connection, the controller box. And we can open these plastic covers. We can see they do have a couple buttons showing you. They have a defrosting functions and the temperature setup and powers and the lights. They display as a Celsius. So they have a small digital display out here. And that's what be the all demonstration information about these products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.